What's popping? I'm popping. You popping. We popping. What's popping? I'm popping. You popping. We popping. What's popping, beauties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela, also known as Popping Pigments, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get popping on a budget. Okay, period. I feel like in the makeup world we have a lot of misconceptions where it's like we got to spend hella coins to look good. We don't. Because a lot of people message me, well, you just on your face, and I just be like, Maybelline or drugstore products, and they'll be like, well, I use MAC, I use Fancy Beauty, and they'll be like, you still look fine. And that's just that on that. If we really being honest, that's just that on that. Okay, so we're gonna start with eyebrows. Okay, that's like him on here looking crazy. So the first product I'm gonna be showing you guys is the LA Girl Pomade in dark brown. I use dark brown. Don't use black. Black is a little too dark for my skin tone. We look crazy right now, but don't worry, we can fit it in. Do not fill in here, look. You see that front here? Where your hair is like light. Do not fill up there. Do not do it. We are leaving block eyebrows in 2016. Not even 2019, 2016. That's a 2016 thing. Okay? Big hardback woman like you, and you got block eyebrows. Stop it. Stop it. So don't fill it in all the way. You want to get your spoolie, okay? And you can fit it. Fit it. Fit it. Okay? Fit it. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Ombre brows. We got ombre brows. Now we look like an Angry Bird, but this is where the concealer comes in. So the concealer that I use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. I feel like everyone got LA Girl. But for video purposes, I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. All the products I use today will be in the description box below. I realize a lot of people ask, why you use something like concealer? No more. Because it makes the eyeshadow pigment pop more. So if you want your eyeshadow pigment to pop more, use a lighter concealer. When Corona over, makeup classes will resume, and y'all will know who to get y'all brushes this thin, okay? Who y'all know brushes this thin? I'll wait. We want a smooth and even base, okay? I know y'all like, you look crazy, but don't worry, we can blend this out. When we blend it out, it can be like milk, like butter. I don't know why I feel like milk. I don't know that sense. But milk creamy, so no, it's not. Is it? I don't know. But we gonna be smooth as butter. Okay, y'all see the difference? Not blended, blended, smooth, buttery. Okay, okay. So, eyeshadow palette in Barbados ain't gotten really cheap. Good, in my opinion. Well, if y'all got good eyeshadow palettes that are cheap, let me know. Hook your girl up. Let me know. Okay, but this is mature palette. This was 60 Barbados dollars. I got it from Primrose Beauty on Instagram. And look at all these colors. Okay, this is gonna be the most expensive product in this whole video. The first color is a brown, and we want to do that right underneath these brows. Okay, I told y'all I use my whole everything get used underneath the brow. We want everything. We got big eyes, that's wonderful. Okay, my eyes are small. I need to start directly under my eyebrows. Take advantage of everything. Okay. So yeah, today we're doing a nice little soft glam. Well, if y'all know me, my soft glam is soft, but it's like soft glam for me. I love this. I love browns and all that. I don't do browns often. I love a nice little brown look. I don't know if I want to do a cut crease or not, because y'all know y'all know, baby girl, cut creases is my thing. We not gonna do a cut crease, okay? We not gonna do a cut crease today. So what you want to do now is to take some Elegant Pro Concealer, but this time in the shade Natural. You want to take some of that. You want to put that on the back of your hands again. You want to tap that on the lid. Just spread it out a little bit, you know, just tap, tap, tap. So tap, tap, tap on the other lid. You want to take a little blending brush. You can blend this out. You want to really pop. Don't swipe. Pat. Don't swipe. Pat it on. Don't swipe. So this is the eyeshadow that I'm going to use. It's a highlighter, but I'm going to use it as eyeshadow. Who gonna check me? But yeah, I got this in my glam bag from Kate Face Beauty. It dropped, so it looked cracked up, and I fixed it, and then it dropped again. So at this point, it's set up. Look at that! Look at that! Ooh! So this is the glitter glue that most of the time I use. I do have the dual lash glue, but I also use this, and this is Star Glue, and it's for $6. If you have hooded eyes, keep your eyebrows up, because the glue, the let things get a little crazy. This is the glitter that I will be using, a bronze glitter. This glitter is from Beauty Creations. This is not the original container that I got in, but I changed the container because this is a little bit more easy to work with, because like you dip your finger in and you go. Yeah, y'all see how much glitter left in this container? And this folded, like, this is literally full. So this is the eyeliner that I will be using, and I had this eyeliner so long that the label come off. So we can just ignore this. You get me? We can just ignore this, okay? Are we going to do a wing, or are we not going to do a wing? That is the question. And I love this. Look how small this application is. It really gets me grooving. So the lashes that I'm going to be using is from Lux Style Spin, and they are in Style Angel. Now Lux Style is not in Barbados because of Corona. Corona is ruining everything, and my favorite lashes literally mash up, and I can't get them back. Body, y'all want bodies, and I can't get them back because she's not in Barbados, and I am really depressed. But we can use Angel because Angel is small, cute, fluffy. She cute or whatever. She cute or whatever. And the lash glue that I'm going to use is the same Star Glue that I used before. Baby, you're so small. I'ma need this Corona to leave Barbados so I can get back my long eyelashes. So we are to foundation. And if y'all know me, y'all know it's a foundation I'm gonna show y'all. It's Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. This is Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation in shade Mocha. My favorite foundation. I use this on myself. I use this on my clients. Boom, boom. Ziggy.com. Okay, I love it. It's $24 in Paradise Beauty, and this is full coverage. matte, durable, long lasting, bomb, popping. Get you some. Get you some, okay? Get you some. You also have some dark marks right here. And upon this, everything can be the same. You can be popping around the border. And what I do is focus it on wherever I got dark spot. And if you want nice full coverage, it's just like sit a little bit, like oxidize a little bit, you know, like get a little tacky, and then you go in and blend out everything. But don't let it sit for too long, and then you can't get blended out. We don't want that. That's the ghetto. Make sure you get that hairline, okay? Cause y'all be looking crazy. Y'all be looking like y'all wearing a mask. We don't like that. Okay? We don't like that. So that everything just seamless. Dark marks weird. Popping! So not be looking like a biscuit. We just flat, you know. We gonna get some of that same concealer that I use on my lids. We gonna use that to highlight. We're gonna blend up the nose. I didn't get this beauty blender in my glam bag from Kate Face Beauty. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 35D. And this is like $18, and this is last 4 months. I had it since December. And it's still, wait, let me show you. It's still full. I'm doing this, still got product. You get me? Still. Worth it! If you have a palette, you see that dark brown there? I just mix it to a little shade. But if you got a dark brown and that a little darker than this, that would be perfect tool for a powder contour. Okay? And you just want to chisel it and cheek. Watch this. Watch this. That's a boring fat, you know. Quarantine, we eating a lot, you know. We gonna need contour. Okay, watch this. You see that? It's good depth. Like on this side, just on this side, like, you know, that. Do not forget the forehead, okay? Don't forget it. Especially if you got a big forehead. Get that forehead, sweetie. You get the same beauty blender, and you get your powder. Naturally, I can really make sure that cut. And you don't want to leave that there for a long time because then that set and look crazy. So now the cheeks are. Know that you did that. You want to go in with your powder, and I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 362. I used to use 360, but I realized that was a little too light for me, so I maintained with the next shade, which is 362, and we just want to set the whole lot of our face, okay? We don't want to work so hard on we makeup, and then it just sweats off when we get in. I mean, we ain't getting no makeup because we on quarantine right now, but you can get back outside eventually, okay? Y'all know what time it is. Highlighter time! And like I tell y'all, this drop, and it keep dropping all the time. So yeah. But I also got this from Kate Face Beauty in my glam bag. So get y'all a glam bag, okay? For real, get y'all a glam bag. What's it? Y'all still playing that is? What's good for highlighter? Baby girl. Ooh. Honey. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Y'all see this? I mean, y'all could leave it like that, because like, that's cute too, but we going back in. Okay. Okay. We can put a little bit of this on the inner corner. You get me? So watch this plain and watch this, Wow. So I just want to add a little pop underneath the eyes just to do a little pat out. You get me? We're going to go back into that same palette that we was just in. We're going to add the blue. This blue right here. And we're going to go underneath the eyes. Honestly, I try not to go into another palette because I got this blue shimmer shade that's so good looking. So that's cute. And like, it don't look cute on camera. It just look regular, but like, what you can see in the mirror. But I need like the shimmer, I need that. This is so freaking crazy. I just want y'all to know, right? Whenever my makeup come out bomb, I just cry a little bit. But y'all see that? That was like, and then that was like, I mean that's bomb too. But then this is like pat out. We here with it, you get me? So lips are next, and I think myself a little bit. This is who is she? Papa Dickens. Oh my gosh. I can show y'all a little trick. So you want to take a old one, you see that pop down. This is the same new one that here, the LA Girl Pro Concealer Pomade in dark brown. This is it, but this is the older one that I had before this. So we can dip in here, we can lay your lips. So now that your lips are lined, what you want to do is take concealer. I know everybody that's doing makeup like, oh my god, you put concealer on your lips. Yes, I do. So what you want to do? You want to put some concealer on the back of your hand again. You want to take your finger, pat it in the middle, and blend out. And when your makeup artist tell you to blend out your lips, don't do this. Do this. And here you have a nice nude lip. For that. Okay, so this is finished look, and as you can see, we are popping. Now that Corona has hit, I can't get to see my friends and I can't do videos with my friends. They have so much amazing videos, and we can get to them hopefully before summer. But until then, y'all will only see me or me and my sister. Comment down below some video ideas, and always remember to stay popping. Bye. Calling my eye this whole time. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Silence. Mommy is filming a video, so don't hear a lot of noise. Who gonna check me? Baby girl, I'm popping. I like popping. Everything is popping. Let's just tell them that.